What's up, guys? This is Polish Bullitt. I didn't have nothing really planned for today. I just figured I wash my car and make a quick video. If you guys, I'm gonna take you guys for a little ride. I just got the head strap. I figure I'm just gonna do a POV view. Hopefully the sound's gonna be okay, because I'm gonna open the window, just enjoy the N mode a little bit and show you around my area. So let's just start from this whatever random plaza right next to the Mercedes dealer. Whoa, vanish. Let's just have some fun. Why not? Turn off the AC, so we got the pops. So like I said, nothing really specific, just cruising, enjoying the beautiful weather today. Finally we got something like 80 degrees in Chicago. Couple last days was super hot, so at least today I can open the windows. So if you guys got any questions, whatever, leave it in the comments down below. Maybe some suggestions for the content. I mean, I don't really have a lot of time. I work pretty much 5 or 6 days as a construction worker, so you know how it is. You're just tired. Sometimes you don't have the time to go and just make videos. Even if you really wanted to, you just wanted to rest. I saw the N10's live last time, a couple days ago. That was pretty cool. At least one of the guys doing something about it. Maybe one day we can actually meet. He said he lives in Michigan, so it's not that far away. Yeah. Just enjoying the beautiful weather. I live in Schaumburg, around 30 miles away from 30 miles away from Chicago, so it's more like a suburb area. It's beautiful green right now. I work outside all day every day, so I can even enjoy the weather right now. I'm just, whenever my girlfriend told me to go to the beach, I'm out. I take too much vitamin D, if you know what I mean. We're driving on Golf Road right now. We are about to turn to Barrington Road, for those who knows what it is. So right now in the N mode, custom 1, which is basically almost everything on all the way except the steering and suspension. So it's not too crazy stiff, because it gets stiff, trust me guys. For those who don't have an Elantra and think about it, driving N mode every day, all day, no, not what I do, like driving 30 miles, 40 miles one way to work. No, that's not possible. You just can't. You're gonna feel like in a racetrack all the time. So like I said, you guys can look at the inside a little bit. I already got almost 6,500 miles, 62 miles to empty, so I guess we're gonna have to do that very soon. The gas prices, I don't know if you guys can see it, freaking $5.99 for the regular. This is crazy, seriously. I do daily driving, so I only put 87 in it, only when I go to the track or I don't know, really some spiritual driving, then I put 93. It's just not worth it. I go through at least one gas tank a week, so packing it with 93, which is like $1 more, it just doesn't make sense. turning into Barrington Road, a little straight. I love the acceleration. I hope the audio is not gonna be too crazy. I don't have a mic for it, so I just set it for a wind setting, whatever that is, just testing it out. I know if I drive probably 10-15 miles an hour, it's not gonna be a big deal, but right now we're like 50. You never know. Hold on, let you guys stinger. I believe GT behind us. Let him pass. GT all-wheel drive. Oh, that's an N line, so yeah, that's an N line, but that's a pretty cool car. I love it. Yeah, this one 587, and my favorite ice cream place, Andy's. These guys are pretty cool. Their GT line. So what is it? Is that a V6? No, the GT is V6, right? I mean, you got big pipes on the back, so it might be a V6. I don't know exactly the trims. Engines they got. So we're basically in like Streamwood area right now. Oh, there's a girl driving, I think. The pops. I don't know if the mics can get it, but love it. Oh yeah, that's a girl driving. To be a race car driver a long time ago, so it's still, if that wasn't my daily, that would be definitely a manual. I'm not so convinced about the pedals. I'm not used to it. As an old school driver, you always have a freaking normal transmission. I guess I can pretend I'm I'm going through the gears just to have some fun. Basically my area over here. Walmart on the right. This place is crowded 24/7. I know if some people live over there or not, but bro, seriously. All day, every day, full parking lot. AutoZone for a second, buy a couple of things, so stop over here. 500ZX. We don't have a spot. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to park over here. Remember guys, always park as further as you can, so now nobody scratch your car. Let's go further, why not? Oh yeah, that's perfect. I don't mind a little walk. I'll take it over freaking dense. Alrighty, so just a quick video. Comment down below if you guys got any ideas for videos or got any questions. Ask me, I always answer, no problem. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna try to come up with something next time. Maybe quick tip, maybe some nice video. I wanted to see how many things I can pack in the trunk, because I was even thinking about taking it to Florida, Miami, in like 2 weeks. I don't know yet if it's gonna work out or not, but me and my girlfriend, we want to go for a little vacation. So I don't know if I'm gonna take this one, or we got, let's say you can call it family car. We don't have kids yet, but we got a Kia Sorento, so that's what we usually take. And yeah, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.